today is the day for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Coach Karim Zito, thank you very much for joining us. The time is now. This is not time for long talk. You have gone through the preparations, you have gone through the build-up. What will be your expectations going into the match today?
Okay, my expectation is to win. They lose nothing if they lose.
Okay.
We lose something. So the only thing we have to do today is to be able to win this game. I don't care how many goals. What I care for is win.
It's the win. So
that at least we'll go back to Africa. We announce our name to Africa again.
Yeah.
Because it's been about 10 years now since Kotoko qualifies to both Champions League and then CAF Confederation. So today is a perfect chance for them to make it to Africa. Yeah. So this is what is in our mind, and this is why we are here.
Well, as the slogan says, Obia and Yobia, don't write off Golden Cake, because you know them very well, you know their capabilities. Is this a team strong enough to stand the Porcupine Warriors?
Well, every team is strong enough to stand the biggest team in the country, because they use the biggest team to motivate themselves.
Sure.
What is our motivation factor here?
Sure.
We beating them is nothing, but the result will make us go to Africa.
Yes.
That is the only thing. But so he coming here, he feels he has nothing to lose. Even he reaching the finals, this team reaching the final is okay for them. You understand me? So definitely we all know this thing because the name Obia and Yobia, it fits that competition everywhere in the world.
Exactly. Everywhere in the world.
You see the smaller team always disturbing the bigger teams. So we are here. We've taken them to be one of the biggest, because they didn't reach here by chance. They did their best and then they reached there. We also reach the same situation, we also reach here. So why should we underrate them? There's no underrating here today.
All right. For you, I remember one of my chats with you, you said, if the league eludes you, the best option you have, and you don't have a choice, is to win the FA Cup, because generally the target is to go back to Africa. Yeah. Something you have not done in a very long time. With the quality of the team that you have now, and looking at the possibility of inclusions, I'll take your last word. Is this the time for Kotoko to go back into Africa?
Yeah, of course, this is the time for them to go. I'm only praying for the attitude to be positive.
Okay.
Because normally when these young boys are playing the smaller teams, they take it. So that is why during pre-season, I like playing the smaller teams.
Yeah.
Because the more you are able to build them, the more you in your capacity as a this. So today I'm praying that we should get a positive mind.
Yeah.
The attitude should be positive, and if you get it right, there will be no.
Well, Coach, I hope to see you at the end of the match with a smile on your face.
Thank you. I'll do that. Inshallah.
We wish you the very best. Thank you very much, Coach, for talking to us. Thank you. All right. So Blackgate again. Coach Karim Zito has said it all. He's been there before. He's done it before, and so definitely he's going into this game with a certain mentality. The mentality is that they have to go back to Kumasi with a trophy.
Yeah, if you look at Coach Karim Zito, he has seen the writings on the wall. He summarized it up all by saying that Golden Kick are not in the final by immune of fluke. Yeah. They end their sport in the final and they have to take them serious. And he also spoke about the attitude of his players, the mentality, the focus towards the game. To him, if Kotoko should lose the game, it's something big. Yeah. But for Golden Kick, if they lose the game, people will even applaud them because they punch above their way to be where they are. So it tells you clearly that the pressure is on Kumasi Asante Kotoko this afternoon to deliver. Anything apart from win will be a disaster or a catastrophe for them, because this is the only opportunity they have this season to win a trophy and to go back to Africa. And if you look at how he is talking about the pre-match formalities, he said he's praying that his players will turn up and play it like they are playing against Hearts of Folk, playing like they are playing against Mediema, that caliber of game.
Okay.
He doesn't want them to undermine the opponents for the day, because Coach Fifi Parker's team are a very dangerous team if you underrate them.
I see. Very difficult team to beat.